Fuck. Oh. Fucking hell, what the matter with this? Fuck's sake. Oh. Oh, fucking missed it. Cheers. Oh, fuck.
The red carpet, where our entertainment correspondent Lisa is in.
What is fucking going on with this?
Lisa, we can see the shot there. Can you see them as well?
Oh, fuck off. Brad, come sort this fucking TV out, mate.
And other animals were brought in
I fucking ain't touched you, you cunt. Why'd you turn over?
to Rome for what they do is cheat.
Fucking hell.
Grazing and browsing, these particular longhorns, they won't go into a
The
field.
fucking battery. Oh, what's fucking going on? Ah, for fuck's sake. Fucking give up with this, mush. What's wrong with this TV, Brad?
Distant driving a habitat creation.
I don't fucking want. Oh, what fucking moved the. I ain't touched the cunting thing, look!
Lime,
Fuck off with your pigs, you cunt. I want a fucking. You fucking asshole. You fucking asshole.